how to mark messages or how to mark emails as spam on Gmail. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can move messages to spam or how to report messages as spam on Gmail. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it quick and easy. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Gmail and you want to make sure you're logged into the account, and there what you want to do is you can see various mails here. You want to simply open up a mail that you want to report as spam, and at the top right corner you can see various options. You can see archive option, delete option, message option, and there you can see three dots option. You want to simply tap on three dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and here you can see various options that says snooze, move, label, mark as not important, mute, and report spam option that you need. You want to simply tap on report spam option and it'll be reported as spam. So this way you can easily report mails as spam on Gmail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.